Going into the first session, we have Gloriah Johnson talking to us about demystifying the CHAOSS DEI Badge project for beginners. So please, with a round of applause, let's make welcome Gloriah Johnson.
And just to add, if you are very new in open source, this is one of the easiest way for you to get started. So please listen to her.
Yes, thank you. Gloria, take us away. Thank you.
Hi everyone. Good morning. My name is Gloriah Johnson, and I'm very excited to be here because the CHAOSS community was the very first community I joined when I started contributing to open source. And the badging project was also the first project I contributed to in CHAOSS. And here I am today giving my first ever in-person talk at GNOME Africa 2025. So today I'll demystify the CHAOSS DEI Badge project for beginners, explaining what it is, how it works, and how anyone can get involved. So a little bit about me. I'm a banking and finance graduate. I'm a DEI Event Badge Reviewer at CHAOSS. I'm a community manager, a programs and project manager. So my journey in the CHAOSS community, just like every other beginner, when I first joined, I was confused for like the first couple of weeks. I wasn't sure what to do or where I fit in. But I mean, I kept showing up for meetings and asking questions. And during one of the community calls, a call for badge reviewers was made. I mean, I signed up not even knowing what it is, but I joined the reviewer training, and that was how I made my first contribution in CHAOSS. So if you're hearing about the DEI Badging project for the first time, the DEI Badging project is a community-led initiative under CHAOSS that recognizes and encourages diversity, equity, and inclusion in open source projects and events. The DEI Badging project exists because many communities, events, and projects talk about inclusion, but it's often hard to measure. So the Badging project provides like visibility and the Badging project provides visibility and Okay, so yeah, as I was saying, the Badging project provides visibility and like action points for open source projects and events. It also provides event organizers and project maintainers with like concrete feedback and areas of improvements where necessary. So the CHAOSS Badging project has like two strong pillars. We have the DEI Events Badging and the DEI Projects Badging. So how does the DEI Event Badging work? Event organizers fill out a short form on the badging website, and this automatically creates like a GitHub, an issue on the GitHub Badging project, and the project maintainers assign this issue to badge reviewers who check the application for relevant information and details, and then upon successful review, the event gets awarded a badge, and if gap exists, event organizers improve when necessary. Now to the DEI projects badging, project owners, project maintainers create a DEI.md file following CHAOSS DEI project metrics, and this covers project accessibility, newcomer experience, inclusive leadership, communication transparency. So once this DEI.md file is published, project maintainers can apply for a badge, and the badging bot automatically reviews the application, checking for necessary details and information, and finally a badge is awarded. So who can get involved? I've had a couple of people ask how to get involved in the CHAOSS DEI Badging project. And like Bisaya mentioned, I feel like the DEI Badging project is like a soft landing for beginners to get started. So reviewers are volunteers who access the events badging application. Event organizers who run open source events such as this, like the CHAOSS Africa, apply for a badge. Project maintainers who lead and run open source projects, DEI advocates, and community members who are passionate about fostering inclusion within open source. Technical contributors can contribute to automation bots and workflows. Non-technical contributors can review, documents, or design. So how can beginners get started? Like Mary Blessing mentioned earlier, you can scan the QR code behind your tag to join the CHAOSS community if you haven't, and you can reach out to Ruth or Adeyinka to get started. You can pick how you want to contribute. Beginner-friendly entry points are badge reviewers, or you can help improve documentation. You learn the basics by joining community meetings, asking questions, signing up for reviewer trainings, receive feedback on your work, and improve where necessary. And like a beginner tip, you don't need to have everything figured out to get started. The process is designed for you to improve while you contribute. Plus, there's always someone to guide you. So I've put together like some resources to help you get started. You can reach out to me later if you want them. You can also reach me via email or scan the QR code to connect with me on LinkedIn. Thank you very much for coming to my talk. I'll take questions if there's any.
Someone had a question.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Just one question.
You mentioned that the reviewers have a checklist that they use to determine whether or not an event or a project gets the DEI badge. What are those things that they look out for when they are reviewing an application?
Okay, so when reviewers check the event badging application, they look out for code of conduct, event accessibility, family friendliness, public health and safety, inclusive experience at the events, and like so much more. Thank you. Yeah, I'm done. Is there any other question? Okay. Thank you once again.